Hello everybody, my name is Dennis Bowers. I'm one of the owners of Motorhome-World, one of South Africa's oldest motorhome manufacturers. We've been in business for over 24 years and we have a vast knowledge about motorhomes. On-road, off-road, overlanding, you name it. We've done it, we've seen it, we've spoken to customers, we've spoken to experts. And we have a world of knowledge. And I thought, with this, why don't we share some of this? Why don't we see if there's anybody out there, you, that have questions or queries regarding this lifestyle, this motorhoming lifestyle, be it 4x4, overlanding, on-road, it doesn't matter. Why don't you send me an email, get hold of us through the email and tell us what you would like to know. What questions have you got? What queries have you got regarding this lifestyle or design or technical or anything? Let's see if we can share some of this knowledge. I would like to do this, really like to do this, but in this format. Have a talk, a podcast, a talk, and you can listen to this. We'll put a video on it, not all the time, maybe sometimes. And you can listen to it in the car and hopefully you can learn something. But we need your questions. We need your queries. We need to know what you need to know. And we will answer it as to our best of our ability. Let's see if we can get this done. Email us, podcast@motorhome-world.com. We will get the questions, we will record and we will put it out there. Let's see if we can get this done. Let's get this rolling.